Hello sports fans, I'm Harry and welcome to Harry's Stuff and Such. So stick around, I'm about to upgrade my Razer Pro 17 by installing this Corsair Vengeance 32 gigabyte kit into my laptop. Stick around, see what happens. And welcome back. As I said in the intro, I'm about to install this Corsair Vengeance 32 gigabyte kit into my Razer Blade Pro 17 laptop that I recently received. And so let's get started doing that. So the first thing you'll need to do, of course, is turn your laptop over. Okay, now that we've got the laptop turned over, also you want to make sure that you've got it on a soft surface so that you won't scratch the top of your laptop. You have 12 Torx screws to remove, so let's get started with those. Okay, now gently remove the bottom of your laptop and then set it aside. Excuse me. Okay, so you'll notice your memory sitting right here. Now all you got to do is free up either side, boom, and it pops up. Each stick will pop up just fine. Then remove them slowly and carefully, like so, and then set those aside. Now, as I said in the intro, I'm placing these Corsair Vengeance SODIMMs, 32 gigabyte kit, so 32 gigabyte kit, so they're two 16 gigabyte sticks. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and install the two sticks. All you have to do is carefully slide it in the slot, make sure it's in good, gently press down, snaps back in place. You'll remove them, pops out like so, slide them back down, boom, there you go. So let's get the second stick in. And you'll notice the slot right here, so you can only put them in one way. Gently place them in, push, there you go. Now it's a matter of putting the bottom back on, putting the 12 screws back in and booting up and making sure nothing smokes. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now I've got the 32 gigabytes installed, so let's open it up and see if it works. Alright, so the machine, the Razer Pro, has booted up. I've brought up Task Manager just to show you that there is 32 gigabytes of memory showing now. As before there was only 16 gigabytes, so I've doubled my RAM. That was a quick and easy process. It took me 10 minutes to do that. Well, there you have it. That was an easy upgrade to my Razer Blade Pro 17-inch laptop. It's now got 32 gigabytes of memory, so I've doubled my memory, and I think I will enjoy that. I'm not suggesting that you guys go out and do that to your laptop. This is only an informational video. I'm not suggesting in any way that you should go out and upgrade your laptop's memory. That was just what I wanted to do for mine. And again, like I said, this is informational purposes only. And I hope this has been entertaining. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. But either way, leave me a comment what you did or didn't like, and maybe what I could improve upon for my next video. But more importantly, hey, how about pressing that subscribe button? I really would appreciate it. And I want to thank all of those who have already subscribed. I really appreciate you helping me out. So, for Harry's Stuff and Such, I'll catch you guys on the backside. Y'all take care now.